Okay, on this video, I'm going to teach about the quadratic equation, which is, I think this is from 4 second chapter. Okay, and then this is some chapters. This is one of the chapter I think that very easy to get marks in SPM paper 2. Normally he will ask you solve about the equation. Okay, before I start to teach about this chapter, let me teach you a little bit about the basics first. Okay, first for example, you see 4y minus y and then bracket 1 plus y. Okay, what you need to do is you need to expand the equation. Okay, normally like this one, the question will ask you to expand the question, so it's very simple. So when you expand the question, you see 4y square here, you just continue right 4y square, and then here you have to minus multiple y into it. Remember, you are you are multiple negative y into both of these, the first one and the second one. Because the mistake most of the students do for this kind of question is they just multiple y. If you multiple y into it, you have got you have got plus y and then plus 2y. That's wrong. When you multiple, you must multiple together with the sign in front of y. So this one negative y multiple 1, we got negative y. Okay, negative y multiple positive y, we got negative y square. Okay, and then 4y square and y square we can minus because both of them are same y square here, and 4y square cannot minus y, minus and plus y, because y and y square in mathematics are different things. So here 4y square minus y square, I will got 3y square, and then minus y, I continue right minus y. Okay, that's all. And then if you want to factorize again, you can take out y from both, because both of them have y also. So if you factorize out y, mean you take 1y from here and you take 1y from here, what will happen? I will say y and then I put bracket, because I factorize y from both of them. Here 3y square, I take out 1y means what? Means the 3y square, I divide 1y, means I take out 1y from here. So y and y I simplify, here I left 3y. Minus, okay, y I take out 1y means y divided by y. Y divided by y, we got 1. Therefore, when I take out 1y from both of them, you will get y, 3y minus 1. And then this, okay, then this is the answer. Okay, of course this kind of question he not asking you to solve. Maybe he asks you to simplify. Okay, and then I show another question, mean you should need to simplify. Okay, for example this one, when you see two bracket like this, 3y minus 2 and then 2x plus 5, what you need to do is you need to multiple 3x to the first one, mean 3x multiple 2x. Okay, and then you need to multiple 3x with 5, with positive 5, mean 3x multiple positive 5. And then after that, you have to multiple negative 2 with 2x. And then you need to multiple negative 2 to 5. So what will happen is you will got something like this. Okay, 3x have to multiple both of them. Multiple 2x plus 5. And then negative 2, I write negative 2, have to multiple both of them. 2x plus 5. Okay, therefore you will got 2x multiple 6x, 3x multiple 2x, you will got 6x square. And then 3x multiple positive 5, you will got positive 15x. Okay, negative 2 multiple 2x, negative 2 multiple 2x, we will got negative 4x. And then negative 2 multiple positive 5, we got negative 10. After that, we simplify. 6x squared plus 5x plus 15x minus 4x minus 10. Okay, here you have to know that when plus and minus, only both of them are same x1 you can solve. Like 15x and negative 10 you cannot solve. Like 6x squared and x you cannot solve, because here is plus and minus. If multiply and divide, then maybe you can solve. When you see plus and minus, and if they are different power in x, it means you cannot solve. So what we can do is we solve the x and x only. So here I write the same thing because cannot solve. 6x squared plus 15x minus 4x. We got 15x minus 4x plus 11x. And then minus 10. That's all. Okay? This is the way multiple. Means you have to multiple both. Okay? Of course, sometimes you have something multiple like this, like 3x minus 2 square. Okay? If you have 3x minus 2 square, most of the students will do the common mistake is like, when you see square, he straight away square for the first one, he got 9x square. And then he square for the last one, negative 2, then he got plus 4. Okay? You have to know this one is not equal to this one. This one is obviously not equal to this one. What is the meaning by 3x minus 2 square? It will mean actually you got 3x minus 2 multiple 3x minus 2. Mean actually you have to multiple first for the first one, second one, and then negative 2 have to multiple the first one, multiple the second one. So what you will have, okay, I do it quickly. So like 3x multiple 3x, we got 9x squared. And then 3x multiple negative 2, we got negative 6x. Negative 2 multiple 3x, we got negative 6x. Negative 2 multiple negative 2, we got positive 4. Therefore, you got 9x squared minus 6x again, we got minus 12x plus 4. Do you see? Actually, this answer is not same with this answer, because this one got the negative 12x here. This one got no negative 12x. So when you see the square here, you cannot straight away like square for both. If you straight away square for both, you have to know your middle you have a negative 12x. Actually, you got one formula for this kind of thing. The formula is called, let's say, a minus b squared. The formula is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. B squared. Okay? This is something like formula. Okay. First, this formula is very easy. Okay. First, you square the first one. You square the a, you got a squared. And then you square the last one, negative b. Negative b squared, we will got negative b squared, we will got b squared. Positive b squared. Because negative b multiple negative b, we got positive b. And then middle here is 2 multiple a and then multiple b. 2 multiple a, we got 2a. 2a multiple negative b, we got negative 2ab. Okay, for example, this example just now we do minus 2 square. Okay, first we square the first one, a square. This is a. A square is negative 3 square. No, it's a 3x square. 3x square we will got 9x square. Because the first one means what? The first one, 3x square, will mean 3x multiple 3x. Therefore, 3 multiple 3 we got 9. X multiple x we got x square. So therefore, it's 9x square. And then the last one here is negative 2 multiple negative 2, we got positive 4. Okay, and then the middle one is 2ab, 2 multiple a multiple b. 2 multiple a, 2 multiple 3x, we got 6x. 6x multiple negative 2, 6x multiple negative 2, we got negative 12x. See, this equation and this equation is the same. This is the faster way to straight away open up. Means you don't need to do this step, 3x minus 2 multiple 3x minus 2. Okay, so let's practice one more. Okay, one more question here. Let's say you got 2x minus 3 square. Okay, first thing you do the a square. A square is 2x square. 2x multiple 2x, we got 4x square. And then you do the b square, negative b square. Negative 3 multiple negative 3, we got positive 9. and then 2 multiple this one, multiple this one, 2ab, 2 multiple 2x, we got 4x. 4x multiple negative 3, we got negative 4x multiple negative 12x. Okay, because the formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square, b square minus 2ab. You see that? Because if you see here, like 3x multiple negative 2, you got negative 6x. And negative 2 multiple 3x, you got negative 6x. Here actually, if I summarize here, what you should see is, you should see actually here you got 2 negative 6x. Do you see? This is 2 negative 6x, so it's negative 12x. Okay, if you understand this one, then maybe, okay, I give another, if here is plus, okay, here if this one is plus, let's say we got 3x plus 4 square, okay, same thing, but then the only difference is this one will become positive. Okay, first, okay, 3x multiple 3x, we got 9x square. Okay, 4 multiple 4, positive 4 multiple positive 4, we got positive 16. And then middle here is 2 multiple a multiple b. 2 multiple a, we got 2 multiple 3x is 6x. 6x multiple 4 again, 6 multiple 4 is 24, so it's plus 24x. Okay, what is, okay, we try some number, maybe which is bigger. Okay, 4x plus 6 square. Okay, first thing, a square, so it's 16x square. And then second thing you do here, positive 6 square is positive 36. Okay, and then 2 multiple 4x multiple 6. 2 multiple 4x is 8x. 8x multiple 6 is 48 plus 48x. Okay, so let's try one more. Let's say, okay, 2x minus 7 square. Okay, let's see if first a square is 2x square. 2x multiple 2x, we got 4x square. And then b square, negative 7 multiple negative 7, negative 7 multiple negative 7, we got positive 49. And then 2ab, 2 multiple 2x, we got 4x. 4x multiple negative 7, we got negative 28x. So this is the faster way to like straight away expand those square here. Okay, okay, if you understand this one, okay, maybe we go for some, okay, past year question. Okay, this one is called factorize. Mean actually you need to factorize this kind of question. Okay, if in the past year, okay, if in the past year you see some question like this. Okay, let's say he said 4x squared minus 21 equal to negative 25x. So 4x squared minus 21 equal to negative 25x. In order to solve this kind of question, you must rearrange this one to the general form. What is the general form? General form is like ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c is a constant. Okay, what is the meaning like this? You must arrange the x squared you put on the first place, and then x power of 1 you put on the second places, and then c is got no x1 you put on the last places, and then will equal to 0. If you in this kind of form, then only you can factorize something equal to 0. Okay, so you must rearrange into this form, then only you can factorize. Must be something equal to 0. Then only you can solve the equation. Because in SPM, most of the time he asks you solve the following equation. When you see the word solve, what's the meaning by solve? Solve means you have to find out what is the value for x. Okay, so I rearrange this one into a general form. So here I got 4x squared. Okay, so I move everything here to become 0 first. Minus 21. So minus 25x. Minus 25x move to this side will become plus 25x. Okay, equal to 0. Okay, and then I have to rearrange because x squared here is correct. But then the second places must have x. This one got no x, this one got x, so I know I have to change place for both of them. So this one is 4x squared plus 25x minus 21 equal to 0. Okay, now all in the general form already. Okay, equal to 0. So now I can start to factorize. Okay. Before I start to factorize, maybe I have to teach you one method. Okay, when you see something like this, you have to factorize. Okay, so maybe you can learn to draw out this table. Okay, something like t. Okay, and then you write the first one here. You write the last one here, and then you write the middle one at the last place here, places here. So the first one is what? 4x squared. 4x squared. Last one is what? Negative 21. Negative 21. And then middle term will be 25x. Okay, I write everything here. Okay, in this form. Okay, then you have. Okay, this one you need some experience to do this. Okay, first let's have a look. What multiple what we can get 4x squared? 4x squared actually we got two possible here, which is the first possible we call it 2x multiple 2x. If 2x multiple 2x, this combination, we can get 4x squared. Or x multiple 4x. This combination, we also can get 4x squared. Okay, so actually we got two combinations. So we let's try the first one. Okay, so here I write 2x multiple 2x. Because we know 2x multiple 2x, we can get 4x squared. And then negative 21. Negative 21, we also got two combination here, which is actually here this one we got four combination. Negative 21 we can be 3 multiple negative 7, first combination, or negative 3 multiple 7, or negative 21 multiple 1, or negative 1 multiple 21. Okay, means we got four combination. Okay, so this one, because your objective you want to get 25x here. If you want to get 25x here, because middle here you have to cross multiple. Okay, you need to cross multiple. If 2x, let's imagine 2x multiple 3, we have got 6x. 2x multiple negative 7. Negative 7, we have got negative 14x. Negative 14x and 6x. Negative 14x. Negative 14x and 6x. We cannot get 25x because this is positive 25. So this one we cannot get also because same thing, they just change the negative symbol. And negative 21. Okay, negative 21 multiple 2x we already got for the 2x, and then 1 multiple 2x we have got 2x. Mean actually this combination is wrong. So what you need to do, you have to put the second combination, x and 4x. So let me put the x and 4x here. So imagine, okay, the first one here is x, then this one is 4x. Second combination. Okay, when x and 4x, because my objective is to get 25x. Okay, if let's say 4x multiple 7, 4x multiple 7, we got 4x multiple 7, we have got 28x. And then 3 multiple x, we have got 3x. 28x and 3. Actually, we can get this one because we want to get positive. We want to get, because now we got 28x and 3x. If we put in this combination. Okay, so we have to choose which one we should put. We should have a negative 3 here or negative 7 here. So because now you got 28x and 3x. So therefore, you have to think you want to get 25x. Means 28x minus 3x, you can get 25x. Because they are crossover multiple, means here I have to get negative 3x, I have to multiple negative 3. So and then this one I would have got positive 28x, we have to multiple 7. Therefore, x multiple negative 3, we got negative 3x. And then 4x multiple 7, we got 28x. And then here is always plus. Mean 3x plus negative 28x plus negative 3x, we have got 25x. So this is the combination. The combination we call x plus 7. When nothing here means positive 7. X plus 7, 4x minus 3. Therefore, we got x plus 7 and 4x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, and then if you got this one, because if you lack of experience for this one, you really need to try and error. But then because in the exam, you can bring your calculator into it. So here, I also teach you how to use calculator solve this question. Okay, first thing, okay, if you have a look on the calculator here, I think most of you are using this model 570MS. Okay, if you want to solve the quadratic equation, okay, what you need to do is you press mode 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You press 3 times, you choose the EQN. EQN is what? 1. And then you come down here, you press 1. Okay, and then here you got unknown. This is not what you want. You want is degree. So you press next. Next. Do you see degree? Okay, when you see degree, you have a look here. Your degree maximum power is 2. So here, degree, you have to choose 2. So you go down here, you press 2. Okay, when you press 2, you ask, what is the A? Okay, you see here, this is A, B, C here. So this A will be 4, B will be positive 25, and C will be negative 21. So A here, you have to put what is in front of the x square. In front of the x square is 4. So I press 4, and then I press equal. Okay, what is value for B? B will be positive 25. So therefore, I press 25. Then I press 25, and then I press equal. Okay, then he asks what is the value C? C here is a negative 21. So therefore, I press negative 21, and then I press equal. Okay, then you will got 2 answers. Okay, so first answer maybe you write in the fraction form is called x equal to 3 over 4. So I write down first x will equal to 3 over 4. And then you press equal again. You press one more time equal for second answer. X will got negative 7. X will got negative 7. Okay, this is the way to press for this model of calculator. After you press this one, you press the AC, you will go back to this one. So if you want to go back to the normal, you just press mode and then you press 1. Okay, this one means when you go back to common, you press 1. Okay, then your calculator will go back to the normal. Okay, so if you got something like this, how you change back to this one? Okay, this one you must know about algebra. So first thing, because I want to make here become 0, I multiple 4 to the x. I multiple 4 for both. So then I got 4x equal to 3. And then I want make here become 0. So I move the positive 3 to here will become negative 3. Therefore 4x minus 3 will equal to 0. Do you see the first thing I got? 4x minus 3 equal to 0. 4x minus 3 equal to 0. And then here I want to change the 0 also. So negative 7 move here will become x plus 7 equal to 0. Therefore, you just combine 2 of them and then write in this form. You can get the same answer with x plus 7, 4x minus 3. Okay, this one press calculator will be much more faster. So after you write 2 of this, so what is the meaning? What is the continuous step for this one? Because you haven't find x here if you didn't use calculator. So this will mean x plus 7 will equal to 0, or 4x minus 3 will equal to 0. So I write x plus 7 will equal to 0, and then middle I write or. Okay, 4x minus 3 will equal to 0. Then here I have to find what's the value for x. So x will equal to negative 7, or 4x will equal to 3, and then x will equal to 3 over 4. Do you see? Both of these answer actually is same with the answer you press in the calculator. Okay, but then if you press the calculator, you have to be able to write out this form. Meaning you have to move everything become 0. Because you press your calculator, you are do from bottom to the top. If you do it manually, you are do from the top to the bottom. Okay, this one you have to be very alert. So, okay, so maybe we go to the next question. Okay, if in the exam, you see some question like this. Because most of the students, when they see the fraction here, they will straight away panic because they do not know how to solve this kind of fraction. You got the whole thing over 3 equal to 5x. Actually very easy. In order to settle the bottom 3 here, very easy. You just need to know when you multiple 3 for here and you multiple 3 for here, you can settle this one. Because when you multiple 3 for both sides, here got the equation, mean you can straight away multiple 3 for both sides. We multiple 3 divide 3, you can simplify. So here you got 2x squared minus 8 equal to 15x. Okay, and then rearrange this one to the general form in order to solve this equation. So 2x squared, okay, positive 15x move here will become negative 15x. Negative 15x minus 8 will equal to 0. This is what we call it general form just now. Okay, and then you just factorize. Okay, you want factorize manually or factorize in calculator also can. So calculator, maybe I teach one more time. Okay, first you press the mode 3 times. 1, 2, 3, you press EQN 1. Okay, and then you press next because you want degree. Degree you choose 2. You press 2, and then what's the A here? Okay, A will be 2. So I press 2. Okay, and then I press equal. B is negative 15. So I press negative 15. Okay, I press equal. And then C will be negative 8. Then I press negative 8. Okay, I first answer he said x. He write x1 means first answer. So first answer I got here x1. Okay, x1 is equal to 8. And then I press equal again. I want to get second answer. Okay, and then I say x2 is equal to negative 0.5. I want it in a fraction form, so I press this button. Press this button, it will equal to negative 1 over 2. Therefore, another x will equal to negative 1 over 2. Okay? After I got this one, I redo from this one to get 2 brackets. So first, I want to move this one become 0. So x will equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 8 will equal to 0. Okay? First thing come out already. So I know the first here, you will get x minus 8. Okay? And then okay, x equal to negative 1 over 2. First thing you multiple 2 for both sides because you want to settle 2 on the bottom. So multiple 2 for both sides, you will get 2x here will equal to negative 1. Because you multiple 2 for both sides. So we multiple 2 and 2 is simplified. So you got negative 1. 2 multiple x, you got 2x. Okay, after that, you want to move everything here become 0. So negative 1 move here will become 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Then you got the second one. So this is bracket 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Make sure you don't write anything plus or minus between here. Because some of my students actually will write the whole equation plus this one. It's wrong because later you have to multiple back in order to get back this one. Okay? And then some of the students, they do not understand why the negative 1 here move here will become positive 1. Okay, this is the reason when you want to make here become 0, what you need to do. You want to make here become 0, this is negative 1. You want to make negative 1 become 0, you have to plus 1. Because negative 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So when you plus 1 here, here you need to plus 1 again. So here you need to plus 1 again. So you become 2x plus 1. See, 2x plus 1 equal to 0. 0. This is the meaning why the negative move here will become positive. Okay, so after you got these two already, then you have to write here. Because you cannot straight away press calculator and get the answer is what? Because this question is 4 mark. You must write this step for him. So you make sure you're able to write out these 2 brackets, then you can solve. Okay, after that, when you got this one, you write x minus 8 will equal to 0, or 2x plus 1 will equal to 0. Okay, and then x will equal to 8, or x will equal to, or this one maybe you write one more step, 2x will equal to negative 1, x will equal to negative 1 over 2. Because after you press the calculator, you can check actually you got the same answer. See it? Okay, it's okay. Maybe I go to the next question, and this question maybe we do it manually. Okay, so okay, let's have a look on this question. Okay, same thing. When you see fraction on the bottom, you have to make there's no fraction, because no fraction will be much more easy for you to solve. So you see over 2x. So what you need to do for this over 2x, you want to settle this one, you multiple over 3x, you multiple 3x. Because 3x and 3x you can simplify, but then you multiple 3x here, you have to make sure you multiple 3x also. Multiple 3x for both sides. And then 3x and 3x you can simplify, become nothing already. Okay, means you straight away delete the 3x and 3x. So here will be 3x multiple x, we got 3x squared. And then 3x multiple negative 1, we got negative 3x. Okay, you equal to 4 minus 2x. Okay, and then rearrange into the general form. Rearrange into the general form, this one called 3x squared. Okay, minus 3x. This one, minus 3x, move here, become positive 2x. Because what? You want to delete this one, you have to plus 2x. So you plus 2x here, you the plus 2x here. Plus 2x. Okay, 4 here, become negative 4. Okay, because you want to settle the 4 here, you have to minus 4. So you minus 4 here, you got minus 4, equal to 0. And then x and x, I say can settle. So this one equal to 3x squared. Okay, and then minus 3x plus 2x, we got negative x. Minus 4 equal to 0. And then I use the method I teach just now. So I do a crossover. First thing I write 3x here, 3x squared here, and then I write the last term, negative 4, and the middle term I last at the last place, negative x. So in order to get 3x squared, I know only 3x multiple x. Okay, no other possibility. And then I want, okay, negative 4, you can multiple negative 2 and 2, or 2 with negative 2, or negative 1 and 4, or 4 or negative 1. So in my experience, I know I want to get negative 1x. So it's better I use 4, 1. Because x multiple, here they have to cross over multiple. Right? So x multiple 4, I know here I will get 4x. And then 3x multiple 1, I will got 3x. So in order to get negative 1x, I know when negative 4x plus 3x, because I say here is plus, okay? Okay, here is plus, here actually is multiple. Okay, so negative 3x, negative 4x plus 3x, we got negative x. So in order to get negative 4x here, I have to put negative here. And then I also have to check whether negative 4 multiple 1 equal to negative 4 or not. If this one multiple this one can get this one, correct. If this one multiple this one can get this one, correct. Mean the whole thing is correct, and this one plus this one you got negative x, means correct. If 3 also correct, then this one only consider correct. So I got two brackets here. First bracket is 3x minus 1. Another bracket is x positive 1, is it? X plus 1. So I write here is 3x minus 4 close bracket and then x plus 1 equal to 0. And then solve as usual. I write 3x minus 4 equal to 0, or x plus 1 equal to 0. And then I solve this one will become 3x will equal to negative 4, move here, become 4. Okay, x will equal to 4 over 3. Okay, and then here x will equal to negative 1. Okay, and then I double check with the calculator again. Okay, so I press one more time, but this time I press quickly a bit, press 3 times. 1, press next, 2, a, what's the value for a? A will be 3, so I press 3 here. Equal, what's the b? B is negative 1. This negative, nothing in front is called negative 1. So I press negative 1 equal, the last one is negative 4. So I press negative 4 equal. Okay, this one I move it in fraction form. It's called 1 and 1 over 3. Okay, this one, if some student they cannot understand what is the meaning for this one. Okay, when you see 1, 1, 3, it means 1 and 1 over 3. It's something like this. So 3 multiple 1, you got 3. 3 plus 1, you got 4. So this one equal to 4 over 3. Okay, this is the meaning by 1 and 1 over 3. So it's the first answer, x will equal to 4 over 3. Okay, and second answer, x will equal to -1. Okay, so you see the answer for both is the same. So same means I know the methods I do is correctly. Okay, go to the last question before I end this video, because the video is 35 minutes already. So this question I also hope I can do it very fast. Okay, maybe okay, let's have a look here. Okay, when you see over 4, what you need to do is you multiply 4 for both sides. Okay, so what I do, I multiply 4 here, and then I multiply 4 here. For the whole thing, multiply 4 for the whole thing. Don't multiply 4 for 5 or 2x only. For all. So 4 and 4, I simplify. Okay, and then this one 4 and 4 I simplify. So this here I left 3x bracket x minus 1. Okay, this one 4 I multiply in, I will get x plus 20. So 3x I multiply for both also. 3x squared, 3x multiple x, 3x multiple -1, we got -3x will equal to x plus 20. And then I put everything here become general form. So 3x squared minus 3x minus x minus 20 will equal to 0. I solve x and x only. So 3x squared, -3x, -8x is -11x. Minus 20 equal to 0. And then I straight away factorize. I do this one close over. I write 3x squared here, -20 here, and -11x here. And then I have to do the crossover multiple. I know this one is 3x and x. Okay, in order to get this one, I need 15 and 4. 15 and 4, though I know this one is 5, 4. Because crossover multiply. 3x multiple 5, we will got 15x. X multiple 4, I will get 4x. And then I want to get -11x, I know negative I put here. So negative here will be positive. So positive 4 multiple -5, we got -20, yes. 3x multiple x, we got 3x squared, yes. And then 4x plus -15x, we got -11x, yes. So this one is correct. So if correct, I know this one is called 3x plus 4 multiple x minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, and then I know I have to write 3x plus 4 will equal to 0, or x plus x minus 5 will equal to 0. Okay, then I just solve this one. 3x will equal to -4. So x will equal to -4 over 3. Okay, this one x will equal to 5. That's all for the quadratic equation. And yeah, just something extra. If some student they have this kinds of camera, have this kind of calculator, actually it's the same thing. You just press, if you got 570 ES, you just press mode. Okay, this one you don't need to press 3 times because the monitor is more advanced. And then you find for the EQN. Do you see EQN here? EQN is number 5, so you just press 5 here. So, okay, and then here he already give you the pattern already. This is number 3 is what we call general form, ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So you press 3 here. Okay, so first thing he asks you what's the value for a. Okay, value for a here will be 3. So I press 3 and then I press equal. Okay, what is the b? B is -11. So I press -11 and then I press equal. What's the c here? C is -20. So I press -20 and then I press equal. Okay. Okay, so after that I will got x will equal to 5. So see, x I will got 5. And then press equal again, x will equal to -4 over 3. X will equal to -4 over 3. So actually this calculator is more advanced, but then I'm not sure whether you can bring this calculator into your exam hall or not. Okay, so wish you good luck for your SPM exam. Thanks for watching.